Hello guys, I hope you're doing well, and if you're a new subscriber then welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber then welcome back. So as you can guess by the title of this video, I'm doing an unboxing video. I'm unboxing my iPhone 14 Pro Max that I've been waiting for a month now. But yeah, for some reason I ordered it exactly on the 6th of October, and it just arrived today, and it literally arrived a couple of seconds ago, so literally now. It just arrived right now. Obviously before I knew the delivery time, obviously, so I turned the camera on. So I just put the camera on the I got the camera on the camera stand. I turned the ring light on, and I was ready to film this because I was so excited to open this anyway, and I just wanted to grab this opportunity to unbox this on the camera for you so you can see that, because it's brand new. It's an upgrade of iPhone, and yeah, just let's do it. I mean, the reason I went for this is because I needed a new phone anyway. I always run out of storage on my phone. It is quite an old phone, as you can see, but don't judge, because I'm just not a phone person. I'm just not bothered about it. I'm just not fussed about it, because I just feel like as long as you can like make phone calls, text, use WhatsApp, use social media, anyway, in general, you're ready to go and you got to go. So you don't need to have the last the last version of iPhone. I just don't see any point in this, if that makes sense. And it's so expensive, especially when it's just released. It is quite expensive, and I just don't get the hype, why people are so obsessed with new phones and like they do anything to get a new phone. But anyway, that's enough of me rambling. Let's get straight into it. And first things first, I'm going to give you the reasons that I went for this iPhone. The first reason was the fact that apparently the camera is 48 megapixel and it's high quality. People say that there has been a massive improvement in the camera lens, so I thought, now that I'm getting a new phone, why not like getting the last version of iPhone rather than going for an older one. So anyway, that's one of the reasons why I went for this phone. The second reason is the fact that apparently it's got the brightest display of all smartphones. Because I'm used to, like, I normally like turn the light really up on my phone. I'm just used to it. Sometimes vice versa in certain situations. Anyway. And the other reason is that it's got autofocus from the front face camera, apparently for the first time on iPhone. So that says a lot, actually. Although I have a professional camera, Canon G7X Mark III, but I decided to go for this anyway. Anyway, so let's do it. There's nothing else left in the box, just to make sure. And that is the phone. Wow. I was just talking to the fam, yeah, and they said we are actually more excited than you are for your new phone to arrive. And I just don't get it. I'm just not asked about it. I'm not crazy about iPhones at all, and I don't get why. I don't understand why I'm like that, but I was just not excited. Maybe I'm getting older, I'm not sure. But anyway, but now that I see it, well, now that I've got it in my hands, and I've got my hands on it, it feels good, because I really needed one. So let's do it. So it should be opened from here, and then here. Don't want to ruin it. And it is open. Wow. No, I'm actually a bit excited. The colour, deep purple. So the reason I went for deep purple was the fact that I think it's the colour signature, the signature colour of iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I always get either like rose gold, white gold. I'm a huge fan of gold colour and rose gold colour, especially in phones. But this time I thought, now that I'm paying, like, because it's quite expensive, isn't it? I'm paying this huge amount of money and spending it on just the phone, then why not like showing it off a bit? No, I'm joking. I mean, like, obviously it was the signature colour, and it says, basically this colour says that you've got iPhone 14 Pro Max. So even iPhone 14 I think doesn't have this colour, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, already ruined it. But it's got this matte finish that I really like. Despite me always like, I always like bright shiny like colours, so I normally wouldn't go for matte, but this is actually quite nice. So it's my first light dark matte colour in a phone that I've got. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I hope you can see. It's nice. I like it. I really like it. I do like it. And so the sticker on it, it says, I actually like this because it says you can put your phone on silent from here, volume up, down, and then you turn the phone with this button. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. Now I am over the moon because I like it. I was actually a bit worried about whether I like it or not, because I never ever had a dark colour phone like in my life, so I was a bit hesitant towards it actually. I mean, at first when I was going to get it. So now that I've got it in my hand, I actually like it. Perfect. I'm gonna put that back for now. Maybe yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna put that back so I can show you what I've got inside the box. So it's got like a couple of, it's got an apple sticker, as they always like come with a box of iPhone, with an iPhone box, and a pin. Okay, and that's it. That is literally it. A cable without the charger, and that's it. Nothing else comes with it. No AirPods, no charger, nothing. Not even a hands-free, which is quite weird for the price that you're paying. I don't think that's fair, but anyway, so it only comes with a cable, so you need to actually use your phone, like your previous phone charger, if that makes sense. I am gutted. I knew that anyway, because I had a read through like the description when I was ordering it, but that's alright. I already got over it. So anyway, so yeah, that's that. Now going to enjoy my new phone, and I'll leave you to your day or night. I'm not sure when you're gonna watch this, but thank you for watching this. If you liked it, please give us a huge thumbs up and come back for more videos. Have a great day or night. See you later.